The 120-foot Olson Fire Tower. About 7 miles northeast of Parsons, right off of 219. You can drive right up to it. So you have about a 30-foot walk to the tower. Honestly, can't believe you could just walk up this. Those steps. Just want to give you a view from underneath here. Okay, I made it to the top of the enclosed area, as you can see. There is a ladder that lets you go on the roof. Oh boy, just a... the same views that the drone took. We'll go all the way around here. That's Parsons down there. Let me zoom in on that. Breezy. I could make out the Tucker County Courthouse. Okay. I see the ski slopes over there. Let me zoom in on that. This tower is moving in the wind, by the way. Just uneasy. Very uneasy. See, there's a door that you have to lift up when you come in here. I don't want to stand on it. I think that smokestack on the horizon, I think that's up near Kaiser, if I'm not mistaken. If that's coming in or not. Right there. Way up at Kaiser. I think it's a power plant of some type. Windmills on that hill there. It feels like I'm shaking because this tower is shaking in the wind here. There's the road that leads right up to it. There's a couple of survey guys here I just talked to before I came up. That is enough of being up here. That's uneasy. I mean, I don't know how good this wood floor is. After all these years and it's exposed to weather, which is just bad news, that's going to rot. Crazy. Here's the steps going down. Okay, I didn't count the steps, but it keeps reducing. There's 22 there, 20 there, 18 on the third, and that's where I started counting. So I presume 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, and probably 6 till you hit that door there. Maybe it's more. It may not reduce 2 every time, but it did these last 3. Wow, what a tower.